How to change text size on iPhone. You have multiple options for your text size, which is available in your iPhone device. To use this all of the feature, first of all, what you need to do is launch your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings, scroll down a little bit. There you'll see display and brightness option. Tap on it. From there you can see text size option. Go through it. At last you will see a slider. Just slide it to change the text size. Now go back. There you will see bold text option. You can also make a difference of your text size by just enabling the bold text option. In this way, you can change text size on your iPhone device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.